Today I am reviewing the Anker Prime Power Bank. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with what makes this power bank truly exceptional, the charging performance. The Anker Prime delivers a remarkable 250 watts of combined power output through its 3 ports, 2 high-speed USB-C ports, and 1 USB-A port. This means you can fast charge multiple devices at once without any performance drop. For instance, it can boost a MacBook Air M2 to 30% in just 13 minutes. That's faster than most wall chargers. Whether you're a professional who needs to keep a laptop running on a long flight, or a traveler who doesn't have access to power outlets for hours, this kind of speed and reliability ensures you're never left stranded with a dead battery. Despite its tremendous capacity, the Anker Prime Power Bank remains impressively compact, roughly the size of a soda can. This makes it easy to carry in your backpack, laptop bag, or even your pocket when traveling light. The 27,650 mAh capacity translates to about 1¼ full charges for a 13-inch MacBook Air or nearly 5 full charges for an iPhone 14. It's also worth noting that the total watt-hour rating is 99.54, which falls just below the TSA's limit of 100 watt-hours for carry-on batteries. In other words, you can confidently bring it on airplanes without any issues. This makes it a perfect travel companion for business trips, international flights, or remote work sessions. Charging the power bank itself is also blazing fast. Thanks to its 170-watt dual USB-C input, the Anker Prime can be fully recharged in just about 37 minutes, which is incredibly fast for a battery of this size. That means even if you forget to charge it overnight, you can plug it in for less than an hour and have a full day's worth of power ready to go. Anker also include the note that when the power bank is completely drained and the display turns off, the base charging will automatically shut off, but it can easily be reactivated by charging through one of the USB-C ports. Another major advantage of this power bank is its wide compatibility. It's designed to work seamlessly with a huge range of devices, from the latest MacBooks, iPhones, and Samsung Galaxy phones to drones like DJI models and even equipment like Starlink satellite gear. This makes it perfect for professionals, photographers, drone pilots, and tech enthusiasts who carry multiple gadgets that require reliable charging in the field. The build quality, as expected from Anker, is excellent. The power bank has a sturdy and premium finish that feels durable yet lightweight. The design is modern and professional, with a clear digital display that shows real-time charging status, remaining battery, and power output, giving you full control over how you manage your power usage. Anker's smart charging technology ensures that each connected device receives optimal power delivery, minimizing heat and protecting against overcharging or short circuits. Included in the box are everything you need to get started: the Anker Prime 27,650 mAh power bank itself, a high-quality 2-foot USB-C to USB-C cable for fast charging, a travel pouch for easy portability, and a quick start guide. Anker also provides a 2-year warranty and responsive customer support, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. When it comes to overall value, the Anker Prime Power Bank stands out as one of the most advanced and practical portable chargers you can buy today. Its combination of high power output, massive battery capacity, incredibly fast recharge speed, and universal compatibility make it ideal for professionals, digital nomads, travelers, and anyone who relies on their devices to stay connected and productive. Whether you're charging your laptop during a flight, powering your drone in the field, or keeping your phone alive during long travel days, the Anker Prime handles it all effortlessly. It's a premium power bank designed to meet the needs of the modern world. Powerful enough for heavy users, compact enough for travelers, and smart enough to manage multiple devices efficiently.